In this video, we listed the 5 best metal detector on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GTX 5030 Metal Detector. The GTX 5030 Metal Detector is a versatile metal detector designed for detecting various types of metal objects, including gold, silver, coins, relics, and jewelry. Originating from mainland China under the brand name Femiaromile, it features adjustable height for comfortable use, an LCD display for clear data reading, and audio alerts with a pointer to indicate metal detection. The device has 2 operation modes, all metal and disc, with adjustable sensitivity and volume controls. It includes a waterproof search coil, although the control housing is not waterproof. The metal detector operates at a frequency of 5 to 5.69 kHz and is powered by 2 9V batteries, not included. Available in multiple configurations with optional accessories like headphones and shovels, it is suitable for applications such as treasure hunting, archaeology, underground pipeline detection, and security inspections. The package includes the main unit, armrest, connecting rods, search coil, and user manual. Number 2. MT75 Metal Detector. The MT75 Metal Detector by Tricor Power is a versatile and feature-rich device designed for treasure hunting and metal detection. It offers 5 distinct operation modes, including all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, allowing users to customize their search preferences. Equipped with an intuitive LCD control panel with a backlit display, this detector provides information on detecting depth, sensitivity levels, battery status, and more, making it user-friendly even in low-light conditions. Its 10-inch IP68 waterproof search coil enables underwater use, ideal for detecting metals in various environments such as beaches, gardens, parks, and streams. The adjustable height, 26-inch to 38.6, and ergonomic design make it suitable for users of all ages. Additional features include 3 audio prompts for different metals, adjustable depth and sensitivity levels, and a durable ABS build. Powered by 2 9V batteries, not included, the package includes a control unit, search coil, armrest, connect rod, and manual, offering a complete setup for metal detection enthusiasts. Number 3. Vevor Metal Detector. The Vevor TS181A is a 10-inch professional metal detector designed for adults, offering high-precision detection with 7 modes, including all metals, pinpoint, jewelry, coins, debris, ornaments, and custom modes to suit various scenarios. It features a lightweight, portable design with an adjustable handle, 41-foot-52, to accommodate users of different heights and ensure comfort during use. Equipped with an IP68 waterproof search coil, it is suitable for both indoor and outdoor exploration. The metal detector includes a clear LCD backlit display, a wired earphone for use in noisy environments, and accessories such as a handbag, digging shovel, earphone plug, and coil protection cover. Built with durable ABS material for long-term reliability, the detector provides efficient metal detection with a sensitivity of up to 9.84 inches. It operates within a voltage range of 7.2 to 9.6 V and is designed to work in temperatures from 10 to 50. Ideal for treasure hunting, security inspections, and locating lost items, the Vevor TS181A is a versatile and reliable tool for metal detection enthusiasts. Number 4. MT75 V-Flex Metal Detector. The Treasure Hunter MT75 is a versatile and advanced metal detector designed for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. Manufactured in mainland China, it is equipped with an LCD screen for clear and fast data reading, and its adjustable stem ensures comfortable use. The device offers 2 main detection modes, coin treasure mode for common items and prospecting mode for gold nuggets and cultural relics, along with 5 preset patterns for varied detection needs. It features a waterproof 11-inch DD search coil, adjustable sensitivity, and operates on VFLEX technology with a frequency of 18.75 kHz. Powered by 4 AA batteries, not included, it can detect metals up to a depth of 1.5 meters. The MT75 is suitable for a wide range of applications, including treasure hunting, archaeology, pipeline detection, and safety inspections. It is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for detecting gold, silver, coins, jewelry, and other metal artifacts in diverse environments. Number 5. Goyojo Metal Detector. The Goyojo DT1Z30 is a professional underground metal detector designed for treasure hunting, gold finding, desert detection, archaeology, military use, and safety inspections. Featuring a large LCD display, it provides detailed information such as phase value, working mode, power level, sensitivity, depth, and alert volume. Equipped with a 12-inch waterproof search coil, it can be used underwater or on the beach. Its lightweight and durable design includes an adjustable length, 1.06-1.29 m, and comes with a backpack for easy portability. The detector offers 5 detection modes: metal mode, ion removal mode, jewelry mode, relic mode, and single mode, for versatile usage and precise detection. It features a sensitivity adjustment range of 0 to 99 levels and operates with a built-in rechargeable lithium battery that charges in 6 to 8 hours. The machine can detect metal objects at varying depths depending on size and oxidation levels, with a maximum detection depth of up to 10 meters for mineral exploration. The package includes the metal detector, USB cable, earphones, a backpack, and a search coil protector. Made from ABS and metal materials, it operates within a temperature range of -20 to 60 and is CE certified for quality assurance.